Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to import the GitHub repository to Lovable. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for lovable.dev and then sign into your account. Make sure I'll log it into your account. You will be redirected to your dashboard, this one. Now go to all projects. Now choose the projects that you want to connect to GitHub. And then from the project page view, you can see GitHub icon here. Sync your project to GitHub, press on it, and then press on Connect GitHub. And now you press on Connect GitHub here. This pop-up will show up. Now you need to sign in to GitHub to continue to Lovable Dev. You need to input your username or email address and then your password, then sign in, and then you will be prompted to authorize the connection between GitHub and Lovable. And that's it. And that's how you do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.